Roxy. Good girl. Come on. Come on, Roxy.
Got my leave and I was going home. Oh, I flew through the sky. My convictions could not lie. For my country I would die, and I will see it soon. I want to see my family, my wife and child waiting for me. Got to go home, I've been so alone. When I walked through the door, my wife, she lay upon the floor, and with tears her eyes